that I made when I bought my this thing. Look, I bought most of the things I bought this year is from B&M, so in Oaken Food. So I was surprised when I do all the shopping. I made a video, but the video is not so good, so I'm not using the video. That's why I'm showing you what I bought. So this year, the decoration with my daughter, we decided is green, red, and gold, green, red. So a little white because this is just shiny. So if you have been watching my channel, you know that for Christmas I always do, most of the time for 3 years now, I have been doing blue, white, and silver and shiny. You know, I bought this. See, I bought just the red and see the gold. So all these things now, I'm going to do my decoration, and then I will show you. This year I did not do early. Normally 1st December my decoration is done, but I just didn't do it early. This, you see, the green, I bought a lot of green, and I start putting balls on it so that I can use it to tone all the house with the light, and that's how it's going to be. Wow. So what was, you see this ball, how big they are. So see the golden one, and see this one. It's just like the duvet you cover yourself with. You see, it's very soft. So you see, this is all what I bought from. So sure, that's the green of it. And I bought other small ones, like you see the red, and this little one. I love it so much. And this red, you see, is very good. It's the red mixed with gold. So I like a shiny green like this, the little one, and I have the big ones. This, you know that if you are watching my video, I always have this. This is my diamond because I put anything I want inside. I like this kind of thing. It's very expensive. I bought few from Amazon, so every year I add 1 or 2. So you put anything you want and you make it color. So small ones like this. These are light. You see, sure, they're red. This morning what I started was yesterday night. I bought this. As I bought it, I have to add everything on it, you know, this ribbon, and then I bought this apart and I have to mix them together. And I saw it in a way that you see behind it's very ugly, and the front, look at how it is. So I did this one like this, and so this is in my welcoming in my corridor. That's where I put this. So, and you know, you have a hang it like that. So this is one of the things I do for the Christmas. I have this. You see, this is the Christmas thing. So see, so when I have been having it now. I bought it from Amazon, so I've been using it for almost 3 years now. So that you cannot do Christmas without having the baby Jesus Christ, the rose, the Mary, the Father, and the 3 wise men and the angel. The story of the birth of Jesus Christ. So
time we taught you a lesson.
as you see, I have been doing the decoration. I can't speak much. After decoration, this is what we are going to try. You know, this is Christmas period, so we have to test. This is, we are going to eat roasted marshmallow, and that will help us to continue doing the decoration. You know. You see how I decorate the up. So I put this golden and red, white diamond land up all over. So to finish it, I just do it this way at the entrance so that you see. So, and the light goes up. So just see this area, how it looks like. So see my Christmas tree. Yeah, that is my vibe this year. This year is green and red. See, everything comes down here to show you my Christmas tree. So these are the design that I bought from and you see, like, you see the blue. This is the only blue in the distance. There's few blues because I always like a little bit to do a little touch. This is me, white, and blue is from my daughter. She likes blue, so we put blue to have that touch for the whole family. So, and butterfly. So this year for me, I prefer to have butterflies that help me to fly. So yeah, so coming down, okay, you see. So you don't mind my, see, the front under my telly. You know I always like plants, so I have my plant, my live plant mixed with artificial, and my, so see the way I do that. Yeah. Yeah, I have my family flowers. That's where I put the Jesus Christ, the family pictures. So see what I do on my corridor. Look at my corridor, all on top. I put having that look. See, you are welcoming in my corridor with the Christmas. So I mixed this together and to give that Christmas look. I have it for the two sides of my entrance, whereby you see, and outside, sure, I have my Christmas things outside as well. So you have this. So hello. So I'm just trying to tell you, this is how I did my Christmas design this year. So I didn't put a lot of budget. I just tried to pick few things and mix it up. It's true that since 3 years I have been doing a lot of white and blue. So for those who have been watching my Christmas decoration, so this year the tendance is red, green, gold mixed with white and so on. So and I wanted to join it, so I just pick few things I want, getting the big ball from B&M and join it together with what I have. Try to use the one I have to sew it together because I like creating a lot of things by myself. So this is how I create my Christmas decoration this year. So thank you to enjoy it. So follow, share and make a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so that this channel will be growing. I know I've not been posting video as usual, but I think it's something I have to create a time and be doing. Share myself into 10 so that I can be doing it. So try to decorate your house for Christmas. It's not just doing on the Christmas tree. All the environment is supposed to smell that Christmas thing. You understand? Like I did when you're passing in front of my house, I have the decoration Christmas light that is out from people outside to see. I had at my door, I have the design on my door whereby you see it. And again, when you come in the corridor, you have the light. You come in the sitting room, wow, you are living in Christmas time. So I put on the light, the Christmas, all the Christmas period. May Christmas start from 1st December to 31st of January. So I like that moment, creating and visiting things. So thank you. If you like it, comment and tell me what you do for your Christmas. How do you organize your Christmas day? How do you, your decoration? Tell me how you decorate your Christmas things. Okay, so this is our one thing I will tell you to add. So don't forget what everybody, I'm going to give the gift and they will have the bag where I'm going to put their gifts in it. So I have prepared for all my friends where I'm going to spend my Christmas. So I have this bag. So I don't buy one by one because after I prefer to buy a pack from Amazon. Like this one is about 10 packs or more, so that if it remain I can still use it next year. This year, so I just need gold and black. That's what I buy because sometimes I change. So this is for the gift, the Christmas gift bag for my family and my friends. So don't forget to get just a card. It's okay. You don't need to do big things, or spend a lot. Anything, £1 card, is it okay? You just write it, put it in and give it to someone just to celebrate the Christmas, and the word you write in it show what is in your heart, and that's really interesting. Okay, Merry Christmas to you. So continue watching this Christmas event. I'm going to show you what I'm eating, how I cook my Christmas dish, and how I organize my Christmas table, receiving my friends and my family to eat. This is things I'm going to put it clear to you for you to see this year. Okay, take care.